Make a great choice today with the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, fog lights, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.